The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Cardano update video today as well. Why not? Looking very good. I'm gonna explain to you what's happening, what's been happening. But what you can notice here, we don't have this panic area down here anymore. And for you new guys, we had this box down here. Or something like that. That was our panic area, and then yesterday we actually removed the box because we are not going there anymore. There is no need to panic. It's only sunshine and rainbows and all of that shebang, you know, birds singing and stuff like that. So right now this looking very good, and I'm gonna explain to you why. So let's get into the charts and see actually what's which part is looking good. So let's start by explaining to you a little bit about the lines over here, and because there are a lot of new guys, and new guys need explanation. So basically I'm gonna start explaining this 1.1 line was acting as some kind of support. We had to get above it. We are above that, so you know we can remove that line. It was important support and resistance area, but we are above that. 1.50. No, you know what, we're gonna bring it back just in case something unfortunate happens. Then you know we're gonna remove it. It's not happening, man. It's not happening, especially since it's out of this triangle right now. Anyway, 1.15 line, that was a very important resistance line all the way, also support line that we have been watching forever. But right now, as you can see, we have been 1, 2, 3 days above the line. Well, today is the third day above the line, and it looking exceptionally good. The 1.31 line up here, that's the resistance line. That's the line we want to get above and close it, just like over here. Unfortunately, when he closed above the 1.31 line, we just got back down with the bearish engulfing candle, which was very bearish, and then we dropped all the way down here. You can see, but the reason it's 131, it's a previous all-time high over here. It's not actually up here, it's here. So once we get above 131 again, it's gonna be rainbows and everything. Basically, this pattern now that's actually been forming, because the support line we had all the time, right? The support line we had a very long time, but this resistance line, we had 2 touches here, and 3 days ago we got this third touch. So 1 week, 2 weeks, third week, so we can draw this line very nicely. It's pretty much confirmed, and this triangle is telling us right now that target breakout on triangle should be 1.88, and you saw that in previous video as well. So we are looking for 1.88 target. We are looking for to break on the upside out of this triangle, right on the upside. We are not looking for downside, we are looking for upside, and I'm going to explain to you why we are looking for upside. So 2 days ago we went all the way from 1.09 all the way up above this 1.50 line, above 20 and 10 moving average, all the way up to the resistance, and then went back, but we held above the 10 moving average. That's very bullish. On the next day we retraced a bit, but we retraced down to the 10 moving average. We tested the week everything, right? But we went close above the 10 and 20 and 150 line. That was very bullish. Just closing above it means we are confirming that there is actually support. We can do this, you know. And today you can see here we are bouncing off of this support, and the 10 moving averages right now, it's kind of curving on the upside. The 20 moving average is also curving on the upside, and then you got this 50 moving average coming up with us pretty soon. So these moving averages are gonna I'm thinking gonna push the price further up out of this triangle. That's what I'm thinking, and that's what I'm looking at right now. So look at this now. The MACD bullish cross is not yet in. We got this touch on the MACD bullish cross over here, but this was in a downtrend. This was in some kind of downtrend. Yeah, you can say we got almost the cross, but then we went back down. So now what we are looking for is to get this blue line and orange line, the moving average with the signal line. We're looking for that cross over there. That's gonna be a bullish cross, meaning it's confirming some kind of positivity. We are waiting it to happen either tomorrow or day after. So in 1-2 days we are waiting to get that bullish cross, and once that's in, I think that's gonna be enough to push the price out of this triangle above the 1.31 line, and we're gonna go all the way up to 1.88. So that's the plan, at least. That's the plan, at least. You can see here it did not pan out. We just didn't. It was only confirmation of these stops, you know. So now we have this triangle. So bullish side is looking very good. very good. So I'm expecting this actually to break on the upside. I mean, it can always go below this and then drop on the downside. Something can always happen, but I've been also following Bitcoin, seeing what Bitcoin is doing, so I have more inclination that this is gonna go on the upside than on the downside. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna see some moving averages on the 4 hourly. I'm gonna explain to you how this is gonna happen. So basically, when we are getting into this apex, the ending of triangle, we have confirmed this triangle as well. Whether the lines are actually like this, or maybe even something like this, it really doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is that we get out of the triangle. So you can see here, once we got down to this bottom over here, that was actually being confirmed, because this was, I think this was RSI divergence. Let me check it out. Over here, yeah, this was the 4 hourly hidden bullish divergence. The price went down, the RSI went up, so this was some kind of a bottom for it, and we said this can go a little bit up. This can go a little bit up, but then it can still cross down. So we are still not sure over here whether we are gonna break out. But with this candle over here, that was important, and we broke all the moving average and went up. I think also on the daily you can see the divergence, not a hidden bullish divergence, just regular divergence, and this was a big thing. And I said this is gonna happen, and it did happen. The RSI went down, the price did not go down. This is normal divergence, and that's why we are pumping so hard here, because of the. So this was some kind of a bottom, some kind of confirmation that we have hit some kind of lows. Also considering that we are hitting the 50 moving average on the daily, that's pretty much that pretty much confirms the bottom. So now we are gonna follow today and tomorrow. We are still following the daily, but we are following also the 4 hourly right now, because 4 hourly is very important. What you see here is that the price moved above all these moving averages. I'm gonna remove everything else. So it moved. This is the white one is stand. Then you got 50 moving average. That's the blue. Sorry, that's the red one. The 50 is the yellow one. The 100 is the blue one, and 200 is the purple one. So we are above all the moving average, and you can see here the price jumped all above all the moving average and slowly climbed down to the 50 and was following 50, and then when it was hitting all of these other moving average, it jumped above the 10 moving average. So what's gonna happen now is that the 10 is gonna start pushing the price up, and it's gonna wait for the 20 is gonna hit it, and together they start gonna go up, and all of these other moving averages are gonna come after it, and price is slowly gonna go upwards. Now the big moving average, the 100 and the 200 moving average is gonna go slowly, but the other is gonna go faster. So I'm thinking this is not gonna take that long time. Maybe this is a 4 hourly chart, so 4, 8, 12, maybe a couple of days, 2-3 days, and we are gonna get out of this triangle. That's the plan. Because I've seen these kind of patterns before, these kind of movements above the moving averages and stuff like that. So right now everything looks exceptionally good. Especially I love that we actually got crossed all the resistances on the way up, and then we got retested the resistances and stayed above them, and now we are pumping again. So it's looking very, very good. Of course, not financial analysis, this can go down, something can happen, Bitcoin can drop, they can ban Bitcoin in the United States and everything can drop tomorrow. I mean, things happen, but right now it looks bullish. If it starts dropping below 115, then and it closes below 115, close meaning not the wick but this full body gets below the 115 again, I would be worried, yes. But as long as we keep about 20 and 10 on the daily, it's all golden. Thanks for watching the video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, man. I love subscribers. So also write down something in comment. The first people usually get some kind of a like or something, or the answer, because I feel like those are most my biggest fan base. So be sure to check down the comments. Also, this video has no notifications on. So thank you for finding it. How did you find it? I don't know. Also, I'm gonna post all the videos I'm posting today. I have 0 notifications. Life's hard, man. Life's hard. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye bye.